link in the description box. Number 2 is FLASHFORGE Creator 3D Printer. In today's fast-paced world, where innovation is the heartbeat of technological advancement, there's one 3D printer that genuinely stands out for robotics enthusiasts, the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. Prepare to be amazed as this cutting-edge machine takes your robotic creations to new heights with its incredible features and functionality. First and foremost, let's talk about productivity. The Creator Pro 2 boasts independent dual extruders, making it a powerhouse of efficiency. With two nozzles working simultaneously and independently, you'll witness double the speed and the output. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to rapid prototyping. But that's not all. The Creator Pro 2 knows how crucial precision is in robotics. Its residue scraping design ensures that every print is flawlessly clean, avoiding color misalignments and providing pristine, professional results. To add to its charm, the Creator Pro 2 features a heating bed that prevents model warping and supports a wide range of filaments. From ABS to PLA, PVA to HIPS, this printer has got you covered, allowing you to create lifelike models that push the boundaries of your imagination. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to